Hello everyone, it is Aaron Floto here and I am here for my April Traveler's Notebook setup. So I am doing this a little bit early because a couple of my other videos are not ready yet, and my Business Traveler's Notebook is always the quickest for me to set up because I have such an established routine at this point. So I am using the 90's Nostalgia Kit, which honestly, I love this kit so freaking much. I had so much fun making this kit. It was a trip into my past. It's called 90's Nostalgia for a reason because I just remember that time period so fondly. And some of this stuff is like 90's bleeding into early 2000s, but overall it's just like what a 90's kid experienced. So we have a lot of the zebra prints and things like that. I have my monthly calendar over here on the left. So this is just straight up 1 through 30 and the day of the week, which I didn't add in this part, but I did add later on. And then the next page is my finances page. As usual, I track my income and expenses for my business. So my income sources are Etsy, my website, YouTube, any affiliate money that I get, Patreon, and I have a section for other, which is kind of a catch-all, random sponsorships, things like that. So I have that section, and then I have an expenses section listed below with item and cost. So I have a couple different areas for that, and then I have an area to put a total for both of them. That way it's easier when I go to do my taxes that I can just pick right from those totals. This next page is my monthly goals and monthly review. One of the things I do like about the Neapolitan is it's so fun to switch from like color to color. I didn't think I would like this, and which is why I've never done a Neapolitan as my regular bullet journal, but I do really, really enjoy this for my business TN, so I think I'm going to continue and do it again next year. But then again, we're only in March, and I'm setting up for April, so, anything could change. I love those little troll doll washi tapes down below. My patrons and I were a little creeped out when I went to go make them, but overall, I think they turned out really well. So I have my normal section to the left where I have my progress bar stickers, and then I put 2 different goals for each week of the month. So this is weeks 14, 15, 16, and 17? I don't know. Honestly, we're like moving into this year really, really quickly. But you can see that I'm putting a couple of my goals already. So we have the April release. That will be the first Friday of April. And then batching April's content. So the YouTube videos. I'm kind of doing better at this in March. But it is really, really hard. I don't know if you guys have sat down and filmed a whole bunch of things at once, but one of the things that is really hard is particularly for filming things like 10 types videos or my bullet journal react videos or unpopular opinions or unique theme ideas. It's just a lot, to be honest with you. So it does take me having energy to be able to do those types of spreads. So I don't always have the energy to get that done. Moving on, we have the monthly schedule. So this is where I'm going to put things like my YouTube video list, all of my patron live streams, and all that kind of stuff. I wanted to separate out my calendar for overall things and my calendar for specifically videos and live streams. So the other one has things like my shop releases and when I want to get some of those goals done by and things like that. So this Patreon page is for Basically, I owe my patrons certain types of items. So I have a live stream schedule there, and then I have a general to-do list. I really wish I just went around the outside to do the the tape, the double-sided tape, but I did not. So unfortunately, that's how it rolls. But that is where I'm going to put my to-do list. It's a little vellum notepad. The next one is my YouTube videos, and this is just where I'm going to keep a running list of my YouTube videos. It's something that I found was really helpful in March because I jotted down a whole bunch of my video ideas, and then I pick and chose when I'm going to film those, when I'm going to um, upload those, and things like that. So having just a general list of YouTube videos, it's something that I hadn't had in a while, but I found was really, really helpful in March. So I decided to keep it going for April. And then, of course, I have my to-do list at the end. So anyways, I hope you all like this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I had a lot of fun designing this kit. The kit is available now on my website, which is erinflotodesign.com. No S, mostly because I am still trying to get my website back. It has really, really impacted my shop income, which stinks, but it is what it is. So thank you so much. Definitely go check out my website. I will have the correct website listed down below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.